outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no
well, that's how much dough we got.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
That much?
Signs of stopping.
I was the only one that didn't want to make this trip.
The lights are turned way down. Let it snow, let it snow.
This is how high it is. Up to my shoulder. My shoulder's going.
But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, let it snow.
Hey, you guys.
Oh, the road's not deep. It isn't steep. It's okay.
All the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear,
This is Les coming up the main street into our cabin, and snow is past his knees.
let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let
And there comes Steve. He's taking over either. Smokers have to do that, you know. Come on in, get those clothes off. Or you freeze half to death.
in this first.
I already fell in it. Vicky's got him on film. It's all right.
I've done some stupid things in my days, but I'll tell you what.
Can't put it off, Steve.
The next time we ration the cereal.
Some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I still can recall.
Steve got you on film. Keep the calm. Yeah, there's some coming up. It's not completely clear, but I think it'll be completely clear until the salt goes.
There is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more.
Ooh, this ain't too easy. Following the trail, looking through the viewfinder. That's supposed to be a road right there, believe it or not. It's Little Red Riding Hood and her grandma.
Though I know I'll never lose affection.
Steve broke his toe this morning. Now he's having a heck of a time getting down this hill.
No, not right there, it ain't though.
Oh, you're making it get all flat.
That's the way we was doing last
We
night.
had to come up with this damn thing yesterday.
That's why I told you don't go down no further. You got to come up.
The bit's getting up, ain't it? And this is the main road. Isn't it neat? Already going in? I'm gonna walk where you're at. Answer your phone, buddy.